Expand your home spa experience with the Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System 2. Now you can rejuvenate your complexion, revitalize your scalp, and renovate your body with professional spa treatments. No expensive appointment necessary. A visit to a day spa can be both time-consuming and costly, making it impossible for many people to enjoy the remarkable health and beauty benefits offered by Galvanic treatments. The patented Galvanic Spa System 2 brings the spa to you with affordability and convenience. Small, smart, and powerful, the programmable Galvanic Spa 2 instrument with self-adjusting galvanic currents and interchangeable heads for the face, scalp, and body works synergistically with specially formulated products to facilitate the transportation of key ingredients for optimal performance. The result? A more radiant complexion, fuller, healthier-looking hair, and a firmer body appearance. To refresh your skin for a healthy glow, use the Galvanic Spa System 2 facial attachment with the pre-treatment and treatment gels. The system's gentle galvanic currents work to deliver important antioxidants and botanicals deep into your skin, while increased circulation from the massaging action draws vital nutrients to the outer epidermal layers. In 10 minutes, you'll look like you just spent an hour in a salon. We all know a scalp massage can be extremely invigorating. When used in conjunction with Nutriol Hair Fitness Treatment, the Galvanic Spa System 2 scalp treatment attachment allows you to enjoy the wonderful feeling of having your scalp massaged, along with the benefits offered by Nutriol's revitalizing and strengthening formula. Nutriol Hair Fitness Treatment works synergistically with galvanic current delivered by the Galvanic Spa 2 scalp attachment to support healthy hair maintenance. For best results, after shampooing your hair with Nutriol shampoo, rinse and towel dry and apply Nutriol hair treatment to the scalp. Then simply massage your scalp thoroughly with the Galvanic Spa 2 scalp attachment for an invigorating feeling. For firmer, smoother-looking thighs, use the Galvanic Spa System 2 body attachment and body shaping gel. By combining the power of patented galvanic currents with this specially formulated gel, the appearance of cellulite is minimized to give you body-bearing confidence. This exclusive treatment concentrates cellular energy to break down fat, reduce fat storage, increase circulation to remove toxins, increase the firmness of skin, and even out dimpled areas. For an extension of your benefits, use Nu Skin Dermatic Effects Body Contouring Lotion between Galvanic Spa 2 body shaping gel treatments. Give yourself the health and beauty promoting benefits of an expensive spa with the Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System 2. Your radiant complexion, healthier looking hair, and smoother looking body will leave people wondering how you find the time.